spilled some water, which I keep doing. Oh, there's Flick in the front. There's Mommy. Yeah, he's been trying to go after the dry food. There's Bijou in the back. Yeah, there she is. There she is. Mommy, can you get out of the way so I can see your puppy? There she is. Hi. Mommy keeps protecting her. I know. I see you. I see you. Yeah, there's Mommy. Oh, they think they're going to go try to nurse on Mommy, or they want to anyway. Here comes Bijou. Bijou and Flick. Flick's on the left, Bijou on the right. What you doing? You going to eat Mommy's food? Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hey, Mom, they just want to be around Mom when she's in there, huh? Yeah. He's trying to get the dry food. They weren't too interested in the wet food, so I think they're just kind of going to dry food. They've been nursing a lot. She's had plenty of milk.